Okay, watch your dog the next time you yawn, because if it yawns back, you've just witnessed something almost no animal on Earth can do. Humans do it, a few primates do it, budgies do it, and dogs do it. And that's basically the whole list. The entire animal kingdom, and somehow your dog ends up on a short list with chimpanzees. For decades, the easy explanation was that yawning just means you're tired or bored or your brain needs more oxygen. But that theory is mostly wrong, and it was wrong for humans first. Contagious yawning in people isn't about oxygen at all. It's wired into the same brain networks that handle empathy and reading other people's emotions. The more socially connected you are to someone, the more likely their yawn infects you. Strangers barely move the needle, but close friends and family set you off almost instantly. So when scientists realized dogs catch yawns from us too, the question became pretty obvious. Were dogs actually feeling something when they mirrored us, or was something else going on entirely? Back in 2013, researchers at the University of Tokyo decided to actually test this properly. They had dogs watch their owners yawn, then watch a complete stranger yawn, and the dogs yawned far more for their owners, almost twice as often. At the same time, scientists tracked the dog's heart rates the whole time, because if a dog's heart rate spiked, that yawn wasn't empathy, that was stress, plain and simple. But the heart rate stayed calm, no spike, no panic, nothing, which meant the leading explanation actually held up. Dogs yawning at people they love looked like a genuine empathetic echo, not anxiety in disguise. For a while, that was the story everyone told. Your dog yawns because your dog loves you. Case closed. Except it wasn't. In 2020, a separate team went back and reran the numbers. They pulled data from 6 different contagious yawning studies done on dogs, including that same heart rate study, and looked for that familiarity bias again. The idea that dogs yawn more for people they're bonded to, and they didn't find it. Across all that combined data, dogs yawned just as often at strangers as they did at their own owners. No bias, no measurable preference. So if yawning really is a marker of empathy, well, dogs apparently aren't picking favorites. So now scientists are stuck arguing over 2 completely different explanations for the exact same behavior. One side says it's empathy, an emotional echo passed straight from your brain into your dog's. The other side says the yawn itself might mean almost nothing specific at all, just a synchronized automatic response that evolved to help group animals move and rest together, no feelings required. And to make things even messier, yawning in dogs can also signal mild stress in completely different situations, like a vet's office or after a stressful command. So you've got the same exact behavior, 3 competing explanations, and researchers still can't fully separate them. So the next time your dog yawns back at you, you're not just watching something cute, you're watching one of science's open arguments play out right there on your couch. Maybe it's love crossing the species line, maybe it's just biology copying itself. Either way, your dog just confessed something, and nobody's fully cracked what it means yet.